Welcome to the Culinary Arts Institute at Varna University of Management, where you will develop yourself into a future culinary star, together with classmates from 4 different continents. During your studies, you will learn how to run your own restaurant, study theoretical management subjects, along with practical activities in a high-tech kitchen. Our comprehensive gastronomy culinary arts course is supported by highly qualified and skillful VUMs, full-time academics in management and hospitality specialties, and visiting chef instructors who are committed to ensure that learners become well-rounded chefs and ready for the industry. Our instructors are experienced in Michelin-starred and other high-end restaurants in Monte Carlo, Portugal, Great Britain, Norway, Qatar, USA, all graduated from leading culinary schools in Europe, North America, and even New Zealand. The Gastronomy and Culinary Arts Kitchen is equipped with 25 working stations. It provides entirely everything needed for practicing the fundamental techniques and styles in the culinary arts, pastry, and molecular kitchen laboratories. The kitchen training includes a total of 40 thematic events per semester, organized twice a week. Preparation and tasting of European, African, cuisine of the Americas, Asian cuisines. The Career Center at VUM has established relations with over 80 Michelin-star restaurants in Europe. During the study period, students acquire 12 months internship in high-profile restaurants in order to put into practice the skills and knowledge learned, gain in-depth, hands-on experience in a variety of different roles, insight into the world of work and the responsibilities entailed, realistic experiences of the chef and hospitality industry in a variety of sector, valuable networking opportunities, an insight into the different range of career paths, experience different company cultures, systems, work practices, personal growth and independence. This is just a part of the long pathway of the future chefs, restaurant and catering business owners. Culinary Arts Institute. Confidence, honesty, creativity.